fresh, colorful, and full of summer flavor. This chickpea penne pasta salad is perfect for picnics, barbecues, or an easy lunch. Today we're making a chickpea penne pasta salad that's easy to make, packed with fresh flavor, and perfect for warm summer days. Let's get started. Gather your fresh vegetables, herbs, chickpea penne, and a few simple pantry ingredients to create this bright, colorful summer pasta salad. In a small bowl, whisk together the olive oil, fresh lemon juice, Dijon mustard, garlic, Italian seasoning, salt, and black pepper until smooth and well combined. Add the cooled chickpea penne, tomatoes, cucumber, bell pepper, red onion, parsley, and basil to a large bowl. Pour the dressing over the top and gently toss until every bite is coated with fresh summer flavor. Serve right away or chill for about 30 minutes to let the flavors come together. It's fresh, colorful, and perfect for sharing all summer long. Thanks for cooking with me today. You'll find today's recipe in the pinned comment, along with my 10-minute Healthy Meals ebook if you're looking for even more quick, healthy meal ideas. See you next time.